Newly arrived at Maple Lane Equestrian Trailers is a 2020 Portax LK, seen here with the white roof and front bow. The LK is a walk-off model with an extra long floor space, allowing you 2 groom doors, full height, one on each side. Double sliding lateral windows allow you lots of airflow through the trailer with the roof vent in front and the storm curtain at the back. Here you see 2 33-inch wide stalls. We have this set up as the 5-foot ramp entry version. You can swing that around to have it as a step up, or you can take out all of the guts inside the trailer and use it for moving hay, shavings, whatever you need. 2 portable buckets you see at the front in red, and a storage cabinet for your saddles. Added features on this trailer with the anodized aluminum walls is the additional rubber mat for wear protection against corks and pawing on the floor. Your saddle cabinet has 2 racks that pull out, swivel out, and storage for all of your other things. This is the Portax LK.